wabarakatuh. Good morning guys, how are you today? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, Miss. I'm fine, and you? I'm fine, thank you. Today we will discuss about teks khusus dalam bentuk iklan. Yes, now I will explain the material. Listen please. Okay. Teks khusus dalam bentuk iklan adalah understanding a text is one of the best media to promote goods and service products to customer. Yes. Teks khusus dalam bentuk iklan ini add the structure in the add text below that will be discussed and learn about the promotion of goods and service products. By being give a complete example letter, it is a expression that you can easily understand how the form an example of product advertising text with the following products below. As for an ad text, there is structure consist of the title, product name, and explanation of the product. 1. Title. The headlines in the ad text are the very top, but not all ads show headlines. Some show the product's name right at the very top and the text. Number 2, product name. In the section is contained the name of the product to be promoted or advertised. Number 3, explanation of the product. In this section, it contains of brief explanation or description of the product to be promoted or advertised with. In this case, include such as 1. Product detail specification. 2. How to get promote or advertise product. 3. Address that can be visited. 4. Contact person or telephone number that can be contacted. Yes, ad text function in the sense of advertising text that is simple, can be interpreted as a message that offer a product with the target of the goal is the community as consumer through a medium, be it print media or electronic media. However, to be able to see the difference with the usual announcement, advertising refers more toward how to make people or consumer buy product that advertise. So the function is number 1, as an information. The intention is to be able to convey information about a new product, the characteristic of the product, and so on. 2. As persuasion. The point is the advertising serves to direct to the public or consumer to buy the advertised product. Number 3. As a reminder. The point is that an advertisement can remind the public or consumer about certain product in order to always use the product advertised. Sampai di sini ada yang mau ditanyakan? Not yet, Miss. Kita lanjut ya. Next, Add text language rules. Language rules govern all rules related to writing a text. These rules include word selection, language style, and other linguistic elements. Persuasive sentence. The use of persuasive sentence is the most striking element of language. In a text example, each type of advertisement centrally contains a message advertising and convincing its reader. Therefore, persuasive sentences are used to persuade readers to agree with the other opinion. It is through this invasion that the reader will eventually be interested and use the advertised product. Use of first-person subject. Typically, a text will use a first-person subject to represent the author or agency to advertise a product. For example, the use of the word I, us, me, and so on. Using slogan. Slogan is a sentence or word interesting, easy to accept, and striking so that it becomes an icon. The use is also very flexible, not only limited to advertising only. For example, on campaigns, poster, announcement, and so on. This the main magnet that can attract people to read persuasive style text include ad text. Slogan are an essential element that should be considered in completing example of ad text. Okay, next, the characteristics of advertising text are: 1. There are products or services to be advertised or promoted. Number 2. Interestingly written product description. 3. There are persuasive slogan or sentence or invitation. Number 4. Word selection that captivates and interests the reader. 5. Contain the main elements of communication are manufacturer, consumer, and slogan. I give example for teks khusus dalam bentuk iklan. Okay, this example. Number 1 is headline. Tulis judul iklan kamu. Yes. Tulis judul yang akan kamu iklankan. And number 1, the picture. Cantumkan picture or gambar di sini di iklan kamu supaya orang yang melihat iklan ini bisa tertarik dengan apa yang kamu iklankan. Next, sub-headline. The headline ini berisi tujuan kamu membuat iklan ini forward ditulis, dicantumkan untuk siapa dan untuk kalangan apa. Next, the is benefits. Benefits is keuntungan. Tulis di sini keuntungan apa saja yang orang lain bisa dapatkan dalam iklan ini untuk join. Ya. Tulis beberapa keuntungan yang bisa orang lain dapatkan agar mereka itu tertarik dan bisa ikut dalam iklan ini. Next, call to action, contact person. Di sini siapa saja, cantumkan nomor siapa saja agar bisa dihubungi untuk ditanya-tanyakan mengenai iklan ini. Yes. Itu dia the example. Apakah kurang jelas? The example you can see on YouTube or googling. Ya. Di sana banyak sekali contoh-contoh teks khusus dalam bentuk iklan itu. Ya. Oke, guys, I think is enough animation. Not miss. Karena tidak ada pertanyaan, please open your Google Classroom. Di sana sudah saya kasih assessment tentang materi hari ini. Dibaca di Google Classroom juga ada materinya, bisa dibaca ulang. Dan sudah saya kasih contoh juga. Oke? Yes, miss. Okay, guys. See you next week and happy good day. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oke, miss. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.